evening or good afternoon everyone, depending when you're watching this. While I am recording it at 12:30 a.m. My name is Hafidh Usama and I am a chemist in the pharmaceutical industry here in Lahore. This is third lecture in my HPLC series. My first lecture covered the basic principle of HPLC. My second lecture was on the instrumental components and their operational flow. Today we will discuss HPLC column. HPLC column is also known as the heart of HPLC because सारा तमाशा यहाँ लगता है. All the components of sample are separated here on the basis of their differential affinity with stationary phase or with mobile phase. First, let's look at physical appearance. HPLC column are made up of stainless steel and it's both opening and we use two filters and these filters are called frit. HPLC column is placed in column oven and HPLC column are attached with injector and detector through two metal tubes. One metal tubes carry the sample or mobile phase through injector and the other metal tubes carry out the sample or mobile phase through the column. Inside the HPLC column we use non-polar stationary phase because most of the medicine are non-polar in nature. As we know, the phenomena like dissolve like, therefore for the separation of sample we use non-polar stationary phase. HPLC column is placed in column 1 and this column 1 maintain the temperature of the column because HPLC is highly precise technique for the analysis. HPLC column are made up of stainless steel because the size of the stationary phase inside the column are very small. It is about 3 to 5 microns and 1 microns is equal to 0.001 mm. So it is very small in size and it is tightly packed. To move the mobile phase and sample through the column, we provide high pressure. So HPLC column are made up of stainless steel to tolerate this high pressure. And the stationary phase HPLC columns are non-polar in nature. In normal column chromatography, the stationary phase are polar in nature, but in HPLC, the stationary phase are non-polar in nature because we cover the silica beads with carbon chain. In normal analysis or in most of analysis, we use the C18 carbon chain. In C18 carbon, we cover the silica beads with octadisylcyl group. This group is also called the octadisylcyl group and the electronegativity difference between silicon and carbon atoms are very low. Therefore, it behaves as a non-polar in nature. So this is the components of the columns or the basic concept of column of HPLC. Thank you for watching this. Allah Hafiz.